welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also consider turning on your post notification to be notified when we post any new videos. For our today's video, I will make fried vegetables. And the vegetables that I have today are, I've got 2 broccolis, I've got red capsicum, yellow capsicum, some carrots, a red bulb onion, and some garlic cloves. And we shall also require salt for tasting, spices which are optional, and of course you can use the spices of your choice. So in my case, I've got Royco cubes, I've got paprika, and I've got black pepper. So I'll start by chopping my broccoli. So I'll start by separating my broccoli florets. So I'll cut off these hard parts. Then start separating the florets. So make them into sizable bites, or again depending with how you like them. I prefer mine to be bite sizes. Is also a very rich vegetable. It's rich in vitamin B and vitamin K. So these are our broccoli florets. So the next step is to blanch my broccoli. So I will turn on my stove. This is a pot with cold water, and I'll bring the water to boil. But before that, I will put some good amount of salt into the water so that my broccoli, as they blanch, they can soak in the salt. So I'll leave my water to boil, and then I will pour in my broccoli. So the next step, once the water is boiled, I'll put in my broccoli just to blanch them for about 2 to 5 minutes. Remember, our water has salt so that the broccoli cannot discolor. And the salt is also helping the broccoli to retain its green color. So I'll leave this to boil for about 2 to 5 minutes, to blanch for about 2 to 5 minutes. So our broccoli is progressing well, and as it still blanches, I will blanch the carrots. So I'll add some little salt into the water, then pour in my carrots. You can be creative the way you want to cut. In my case, I'll just make some small cubes. The next one. Guys, chopping them into bite sizes. Bite size. These are done. Chop my onion. So I'm crushing my garlic. So my broccoli oil, so I'll use a strainer to strain off the water. So here are my broccoli, still very green, they've retained the color, as you can see. So for me to stop the cooking, I will chop the vegetables with very cold water. You can either use running water or ice cold water. In my case, I have some ice cold water. So my vegetables are cold and cooking has stopped. The cooking process has stopped. So I'll keep this aside for the next step. Now we fry the vegetables, so I'll add in some cooking oil. red onion, my garlic, you can add any spices of your choice. In my case, I have whole paprika, black pepper, and some little spices. Next, I'll pour in the carrots. Remember, they were blanched already. So the cooking process here should be very little, very minimal. And lastly, guys, I'll finish off with our broccoli. As you can see, it still has retained its green color. So I'll just toss it twice so that it can also get the garlic aroma, the spices. So our stir-fried vegetables are ready and we are ready to serve. So our vegetables are ready and served and ready to be eaten. They look amazing, amazing, amazing. So be sure to try this recipe at home and comment on the comment section on how your recipe turned out. And until our next video, goodbye and God bless you.